For 30 years now, RAFT has been supporting education in the Silicon Valley and the Bay Area with affordable resources and hands-on learning programs. We've made some incredible strides in expanding our services and programs to meet the changing needs facing schools, teachers, students, and families today. We've opened membership up to all, so teachers, parents, and everyone in the community who's supporting education can take advantage of all the resources we offer. We now serve schools and students directly with our Makermobile and our STEAM Dreambox and Dream Camps. As our classroom, after school, and summer programs continue to evolve and become even more scalable, we are very excited to reach even more schools, more teachers, and more students in the years ahead.
What I value most about RAFT and what they do with students is their accessibility to just having STEAM materials and STEAM content for our local students. I've seen students that come in and their confidence just grows knowing that they're going to be able to play with things and put things together.
RAFT is unique in the way that they work with companies to take excess supplies and reuse them instead of going into landfill and actually creating STEAM kits out of that, which is just incredible and amazing.
With our materials, our tools, our kits, RAFT is focused on STEAM and not just STEM. And while STEM focuses mostly on science and technology, bringing arts into the picture gives people a more holistic view of possibilities. Whether it's creativity, whether it's the art of design, whether it's taking those and applying it to a specific STEM field, STEAM brings those disciplines together and helps bring the innovative mindset in the children.
STEAM learning is part of the building blocks of critical thinking. And RAFT is such a great and essential partner teaching students how to think critically. Spinning a top, rolling a car, launching a rocket, all of these things that are teaching them new ways to build ideas and express their creativity. And also you're learning how to solve a problem or a puzzle right in front of you.
We've connected with RAFT to provide hands-on learning. Specifically, our students who qualify for free and reduced lunch, our English learners, our students that are foster youth. These are the students that may not have had the same experience during the regular school year with science. They need that tactile learning to make learning more fun. And so RAFT impacts their everyday understanding of science and connection to science and love of science.
What RAFT does is they provide an opportunity for students to explore what engineering is, what science is. A lot of times we ask them, what do you want to be when you grow up? When they have a chance to come to RAFT, they can actually think about, what does a scientist do? Is this something that I want to do? And it opens up a whole different window of opportunity when it comes to career paths, interests, and what the future can hold.
RAFT is influencing my future because I think it's really helped me grow. Some projects got me thinking about what I want to be when I grow up. And I think my majors might be business or building, because I do like building and I do accelerated math. So math and building just go really well. So I think I might do civil engineering, but just incorporate it with business.
I'm very glad that I'm in RAFT. Like when I go home, I always tell my mom or my dad or my sister. I learned something new at camp. It was so fun. I learned about this new animal and learned about this new topic. And I'm glad to be here because RAFT changed my education a lot. And I like it.
I feel so grateful to have RAFT in our community, getting kids excited about learning. The hands-on experience gives them early confidence and empowers them that they can do it or that they can understand it. And so for how much that RAFT has contributed to teachers, to students, to parents, to the community, it's just amazing.